hiking in the woods today. Last time I was here, I heard the trees groaning. I don't really listen to music while I hike, and sometimes you just hear them creaking and making the weirdest sounds, like growing against each other and creaking and making ent noises around here. How beautiful it is, y'all. Wish I could capture those cool tree noises. When I do, I'll let y'all hear it. It's happening. Listen. You're looking for where the trees are resting in each other and stuff, but is it just the wind blowing them? Are they growing?